Meet our noise, vibration, and harshness engineer. He relies on a variety of viscoelastic materials for sound damping solutions. One day, our NVH engineer was screening some viscoelastic materials. He often relied on rubber and acrylic adhesives, but faced many challenges. There were so many products, some in tape form, some in liquid form. NVH data was hard to come by, so our NVH engineer had to test a lot of candidates. He tested rubber-based adhesives and found they often only worked around room temperature ranges. He tested acrylic adhesives and found they were a bit more flexible in terms of working temperature, but often had a very narrow temperature range where they were effective. He also tested some materials in tape form and some in liquid adhesive form. The extra work added to his frustration. Because of all the limitations with rubber and acrylics, he kept looking at options and found Momentive's SilGrip silicone PSA line. He knew that the SilGrip PSAs traditionally had damping properties that succeeded in a high temperature range. But he also noticed something else. The SilGrip line had a much broader damping temperature range as compared to acrylic or rubber adhesives. He thought, wouldn't it be great if I could customize the damping performance of the SilGrip line? I would love to be able to maintain a wide damping temperature range, whether it be in cold temperatures, around room temperatures, or higher temperatures. On top of that, having the SilGrip line available in wet adhesive form as well as tape form would then answer all of our NVH problems. He realized he was probably just dreaming, so went back to his tedious testing. Until finally, Momentive launched the SilGrip NVH PSA kit. He found that the new NVH PSA kit is unique for 4 reasons. It dampens sound, plus has added benefits of silicone. It works across low temperatures, room temperatures, and high temperatures. It has wide damping temperature ranges, or peaks. It can be custom formulated by mixing the kit at different ratios by the end user. The SilGrip NVH PSA kit can also be coated as a taper transfer film, or even used as a high-performance contact adhesive applied by a roller or brush. Let's check the damping performance of the NVH PSA kit using this simple demo. Having a project that has unique temperature and/or frequency damping requirements? You should try the SilGrip NVH PSA kit. For more info, see our marketing bulletins and how to use video. Thanks for watching.